Ever feel like this? You want to learn Korean. K-dramas, K-pop, maybe a trip to Seoul. But then you open a textbook or see Hangul for the first time, and it feels like you just got hit by a dictionary. What if I told you that mountain isn't a mountain at all? That you've been trekked? What if you could start understanding real Korean way faster than you think? Today, I'm revealing the exact 4-step hack that flips the script. No boring drills. Just smart, stick-figure-approved strategies. Stick around to the end for the one secret trick that 99% of learners completely ignore. Here's the brutal truth most absent courses won't tell you. Trying to learn all of Korean is a guaranteed way to learn none of Korean. You get overwhelmed and quit. Sound familiar? So, step 0, the mindset hack. You are not a librarian. You're a treasure hunter. You're not here to catalog every word. 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 Order a coffee? Understand your favorite song's chorus? That's your first X. Go there. Hack number 1, steal the script. Hack 1, steal the script.
Start learning lines.
Your first mission, become a language thief. Find one short, cool line from a show, video, or song you love. Something you can imagine saying. Got it? Now you're not just memorizing. You're stealing the emotion, the context, and the pronunciation. This is magic. You've just learned a full, grammatically correct chunk that natives actually use. Do this just 3 times a week. Build your Stolen Scripts playlist. You're building a usable language, not a textbook ghost. Hack 2, the 20% word hack. Did you know that knowing just 100 words lets you understand about 50% of casual conversations? Seriously! Don't learn random animals or furniture first. Learn the glue words. These are your superpower words. Example time. You know, 이거 and 뭐. Point and ask, 이거 뭐예요? 이거 뭐예요? What is this? Boom! You just initiated a real conversation. They say, 김치볶음밥. You might not know that word, but you asked for it. You're in the game. Hack 3, your ruthless pronunciation partner. It's free. It's always available. It's the repeat button on YouTube or any audio app. Here's the rule. For every line you steal, you must listen and shadow it 10 times. Not in your head. Out loud. Feel the shape of your mouth change. Good pronunciation isn't about accent, it's about clarity. It's the difference between saying 배고파 and accidentally saying, well, something much more embarrassing. Your ears are your best teacher. Trust them. Hack 4, the daily 5-minute fire. Burn your I need to study for an hour plan. It doesn't work. Consistency is king. A tiny daily win beats a heroic once-a-month crash course. Your brain needs constant, gentle reminders. Light that 5-minute fire every single day. Okay, you stayed. Here's the 99% ignore this secret. Learn the sound system first. Spend 1 hour, just one, understanding the Hangul alphabet. Not memorizing, but understanding how the shapes represent your tongue and mouth position. This 1 hour will save you 100 hours of struggling to remember how things sound. You'll be able to read anything. It's the ultimate cheat code. So there you have it. Be a treasure hunter, not a librarian. Steal scripts, learn the glue words, shadow like a pro, and light your daily fire. Korean isn't a wall to climb. It's a series of doors to open. And you just got the keys. Which hack are you going to try first? Smash that like button if this gave you a boost. It really helps us out. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want more stick-figure hacks to learn languages, skills, and life stuff without the boring parts. Now I'm throwing it to you. What's the first Korean line you're going to steal? Write it in the comments below. Let's steal some awesome lines together. And if you know someone struggling with Korean, share this with them. Save them from the textbook avalanche. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요.